Hello Amazon PPC advertisers, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I'll show you a new update from the Amazon app itself. So a while ago, I was browsing and I saw a new feature that is related to influencer marketing. So influencer marketing is growing big everywhere. So Amazon brings the influencer marketing to its app itself. So I'll show you now. Check it out. So I'm on this Amazon app now. I have typed orange jam and you can see that there is a new section called shop from influencer pics. So what happens in this section? It is a new section that is introduced by Amazon on the mobile app itself, not on the browser, on the mobile app. So you can see the lifestyle images. Okay. In these images, you cannot see that what actually they are advertising. These two products you need, and this guy is promoting these two products. So they are not directly promoting the products. They are like posting pictures. I'll show you. For example, this one. So in this product, to make this product, they are promoting this one, Catch, Mayos, and this Tata Sampann, Kala Chana. So these are the products they are advertising and to make this product. So they are indirectly advertising and they are from the influencers. And here you can see clearly shop from influencer pics. So you need not go to outside like for Instagram influencer marketing. You can now do this influencer marketing on Amazon itself, as well as you can do it on Instagram. And also what you can do is like you can reach to these people on Instagram, like to promote your products. So for example, let's say this. So indirectly they are posting pictures and promoting the products. So this is what the new product, the new update is. So hope you find it useful, and if you have anything to share, please comment down below and share it. Thank you for watching.